everybody, and welcome back to another one of our videos. I'm out in the garden. I've come out here after quite a while. As you can see, all you can see is just pure grapevines, and they're just taken over everywhere this year. We tidied up and was to come out to do things, and because of illness and everything, never got to get out here. And just coming out here now to have a look. I've got plants out here what haven't been watered for how long, and this grapevine is just a pain in the neck. See, I've got these white flowers come up every year. I don't know what they're called. Let my cameraman come in. I've got these nice black petunias here. Nice colour ones, unusual. Still got onion sets in here. If I get one, these have been dried up for ages. The only thing what these are most probably good for now is just if you've got the time to sit and peel and pickle them. All these have been dried up, they haven't been watered for ages. Like I said, I'll never have time to come out in the garden or anything, and everything's been neglected. Otherwise all this should have been cleared, but this grapevine is all on the fence going over to my neighbour, so I've got to address that. Gone up in this plum tree. We've got a load of plums off of it this year because I've managed to prune it before, and the pear trees have got pears on them. These are desert pears. These are what the desert pears they're called, these ones. And then what I came out here to do, I know I'm not 100% today, but I've got to do this. I've got these 6 potato buckets what have been totally neglected. Don't know if there's any potatoes in them. You can see. Is that dry? Well, I don't know what the potatoes are going to be like in them, but you can see they're sort of things. So I'm going to empty a couple and show you and see what's in there. But these haven't been watered or anything. I just totally neglected them. Sometimes you forget. I thought most watered them about 3 times at the beginning and then forgot that they were out here. So let's have a see what's going on here. And I can see we've got some reds in there, which are desirées. Put some in there, and they're small. I thought they would have been bigger than this, but for something that's been forgotten about and not watered, there's still potatoes in there. So let's let my cameraman come in a bit more. So what I'm doing, I'm just getting the dirt. You can see how dry that is. Surprised that they're so small. I thought they would have been a lot bigger than this, but to get any potatoes at all. There's the seed potato there, still as rotten as anything. I think is that the other seed? No. So one bucket. Sorry if this potato revealed, this has just been totally neglected, so don't worry, these are, I had onions in here, so I'm just, right, so that's how much has come out of one bucket. Well, I thought there wouldn't have been nothing in there, but there's potatoes in there, so right, let's do another one. Don't know if I've got a scale nearby to weigh these to show you how much we're going to get. These ones are a bit shriveled. You can see these ones are a bit softer, but they're still usable. Just press that there first. The dirt in this is just incredibly dry. Like I said, these haven't been watered or anything, so you can see the potatoes are soft. Right, so let's empty this one in here, see if there's any more in here. So sorry if this video is going to be a bit long, but this is what happens when you neglect your potatoes. Sorry about the music, someone's decided to play music, so we're going to have to cut it there, because you know what YouTube is like with the music already. So I'm going to empty these other ones and then show you what we get because of the music. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've emptied 6 buckets and that's the potatoes what we got out of it. They were totally neglected, so to get any potatoes at all is a bit of a bonus, but if there was watered and kept how there should be, they would have been bigger. There's most probably more. Don't know what the weight of this is. I'm gonna leave it on the description. So this is what happens if you neglect your potatoes, don't water them and that. If you see the plant coming through, you might still get a few. They're not going to be that big, they're about average size. Nice, but there's one thing about them, they're clean. They're really clean. So I'm going to weigh those and I'll let you know what the weight is. I'll be back with you in a minute. Hello, Welcome back everybody. I'm down at the allotment now. I'm just showing you what's going on with my pumpkins down there. You can see the bed's getting a bit thinned out now. That's because all the bottom leaves are dying out now. Just want to show you the pumpkins, what's in there if I can. Everywhere almost you look, there's a pumpkin there. And you see it's still producing. One there what's been fertilised by another insect. So when you get that bump on the pumpkins, you know that it wasn't the bees what fertilised it. Got a nice one coming on there. This is a Jamaican one. Got a yellow one, orange one in there. Sorry if the video's gone a bit funny. I'm filming this on the phone. My cameraman's not here to go out this morning, so I'm the only one that's here. Got a big one in there somewhere, and this one is just coming on leaps and bounds now. Look at the size of that, and that's still growing. This is the volunteer vine. Right, I'll come round. These are the corns what I planted last time. As you can see, some of them are almost ready. All of them's got cobs on them. Right, let me go over here. Let's see if I can get to this one. Right, got a crown prince there, and this is that volunteer one here. Trying to get it out so you can see it. That's how. Oh, this is right across the top of it, so I don't know where it is. But as you can see, it's just swelling up, and then there's a little pumpkin underneath it. Then I've got that one up there. Got a white baby boo down there, which is pure white. Strawberries coming on, and then these fold hooks charred coming on. More beans, you can see, coming on nice. This bed's coming on nice with my lettuces, a lot of russos and mixed lettuces. The callaloo decided to grow after all this time, and my beetroots there. Tomatoes, next time when I come down I'll prune these up quickly and get them looking a bit more decent. You see how long my pods are on my runner beans. Got plenty of pods on there. Took some off and showed them. This is my the coyote. See how much that's grown until it's gone over. So what I've got to do now is, when I go around the other side, train it back. Just doing a quick video, nothing much. Still got loads of cucumbers on here to take off, and they still keep growing. I've got spinach to harvest. These broccolis over here, I haven't seen nothing on those yet. Marigold still flowering nicely, and starting to get little heads of broccoli coming now, so those will soon be ready to harvest. And then the spinach is growing back. Right, got these cabbages out here. What's coming on nice? Spinach growing back. In my polytunnel, I'll just show you what's going on in there quickly. Got spinach there. Got the okras, which are, I think they're starting to flower now. Beetroots over there, and the peppers on the shelves, and the tomatoes, melons. I'll go around the other way. Everybody asks about this plot next to mine. This isn't my plot, this is somebody else's plot. So that's why when you see it in the pictures, it's not my plot. Got this callaloo plant here. Still haven't harvested it yet. They're away at the moment, so I'll harvest it on Friday when I come down. And I've still got these 2 melons growing here. One there and one there. And then you can see the rhubarb has come back leap and bounds again. Look at the size of this leaf. It's even bigger than usual. So that's what's going on. Show you my polytunnel from the other end. These are my eddos down here. That one what's down directly to ginger. And the fever grass. So when I come down next time, I've got all that to sort out. So that's what's going on. So if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. It was meant to be a potato harvest, but I couldn't get down with my cameraman this morning. I had to go out, so I've just come down and done a quick update on my phones to show you what's going on. So like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. Comments in the comment section, we will get back to you on them. And if the quality is not all what it usually is, sorry about that, but it's done on the phone, so we'll get there. So I'll see you all on the next one. You take care until then.